Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get repaired Titan Boombox along with an damaged Titan Boombox in Superbox side defense. So what you are going to do is go way over here to this right here, and he's not going to be easy to fight. So what you would be recommend to do here is either get one of your friends to help you, or a couple of your friends, or even a group of people. And the most recommended to solo him is Upgraded Titan Tesla Man or the Wig Master. So I'm going to be using the Wig Master just to show you guys how strong he is, because you do have to wait a little bit of time before he can start taking damage. Once like the boxes start spawning, that's when you actually can do damage to him, and that's what you're gonna have to wait for. Here's the cutscene. Alright, so for right now, you just gotta dodge. And I'll tell you when you gotta hit him. Now I'm gonna start hitting him. No, I didn't do that. No! Oh god. That was not the right move. Oh no, 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 no. Ow. That hurt. Oh god, okay, so this is not a good character to solo him with. This is not a good character to solo him. The good character to solo him with is this one. Alright, this one. Yep, this one, you just have to worry about him, don't worry about the boxes if you're soloing, because if he dies, then they disappear. Get him. And he does get to a certain amount before he stops. No, why are you going for them? What are you doing? Yes, get him. See? Right now. And you just gotta go behind him or anywhere where it says you can. And it says Parasite and Remove. Once you remove it, it's gonna say this. It's gonna do this. Surprisingly, he's bigger than me. Then he flies up, turns away, and flies that way. And then it says, "Congratulations on recovering Titan Boombox. You are all awarded a badge." Alright, so now you have to do it on the desert map. It's only on the desert map. So you go to any map after you do that, except for Campeggin. So you go into even base plate. And what you're going to do, you get 2,000 points for damage Titan Boombox. Right? So he only has one. It's a good starter for it. It's a good starter because he has a core laser, a scream, and a knife that shoots. And you could just fly and shoot. And he's honestly a pretty good character. Now about repaired upgraded Titan Boombox. Repaired Titan Boombox. He cost 7,000 more points. He does have an Empower mode, and the only way you can do that is by going into a mode and just defeating a bunch of enemies. Like, literally just attacking them. He has same abilities, except he combos more. He combos much more. You could probably hit this with this. And then you could hit this, and you could hit a knife on them. But that's all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.